Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Megan. We're gonna pretend like Mommy's not there, right?
I love you.
I love you too, sweet girl. Who's your favorite daddy?
You.
And who's my favorite Megan? You? That is right.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Bunny.
No, I want to see the radio.
This is a camera.
I want to see it.
1 minute. Tell Daddy what you're gonna bring on the Mayflower.
I don't know yet.
What were we just talking about?
Lotion.
Lotion, suntan lotion. Good idea.
Lotion.
All right.
How old are you, Megan?
4.
Yeah.
Did you sing your Thanksgiving Day song that we're gonna sing? At the pageant? Ready? Set. Go.
I'm glad I'm not a turkey, I'm glad I'm not a turkey on Thanksgiving Day. Stuff me and baste you and then they will taste you. Glad I'm not a turkey on Thanksgiving Day.
There.
Yay!
They're gonna stuff you and bake you?
And then they can taste you.
And then they can taste you?
Uh-huh.
I'm glad I'm not a turkey. But I'm gonna eat turkey on Thanksgiving. You gonna eat turkey?
No, yucky.
Yucky? Why is it yucky?
I'm a real turkey.
Do you know that Thanksgiving is Daddy's favorite holiday? And why is it? Is it your...
Mine too.
Really? Why is it your favorite holiday?
Because you get to eat yummy food.
You get to eat yummy food. That's right. What's your favorite yummy food that you're gonna eat? Apple pie. Ice cream. Strawberries.